Hi, this is Glenn with All American Eyeglass Repair. Every day we get questions about Maui Jim sunglasses. Are there parts available to replace? We're going to take a look at one of the Maui Jim frames and show you how we can help you if you need parts for a Maui Jim sunglass. Here we have the Maui Jim Bamboo Forest. As I mentioned, we got a lot of questions about replacement parts for Maui Jim frames. Essentially, there's three things that we would replace on this. One would be the lens. It comes in two different colors. We have both the gray and the amber lens on this one. The gray in the frame, the amber lens can be used as well. The gray, the most popular out of the two. Also, the replacement part for the temples. Very easy change out on this. They just mark here where the screw is. We take that back out, put the replacement parts in. And again, one other part would be the pads. Pads are a little different on each frame, but the Maui Jim Bamboo Forest has this in both brown and black. They come off and we put those back on. So whatever you need with Maui Jim replacement parts, you can walk into one of our retail centers, or if there's not one near you, please contact us at AmericanEyeglassRepair.com. You can mail the frames to us. We will take care of your Maui Jim frame.